In our earlier tutorial, we had seen how we can unhide all worksheets at once in Microsoft Excel. And now in this tutorial, we will see exactly reverse of that. We will see how we can hide all worksheets except the active one with VBA code in Excel. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. First, let me create some blank sheets for our demonstration purpose. So now we have 5 worksheets. Now, instead of using conventional method of grouping together and hiding all the worksheets, we will write a VBA code for doing this. And after all, you are here to learn that. So let's open our VBA editor by pressing Alt F11. In this window, we will need to write our code. So first, let me put a comment here which will help me in understanding why I have written this code. Apostrophe, this macro will hide all the worksheet except the active sheet. Now don't write the code along with me, just pay attention on what I am writing and I will provide this code in the description box below. Okay, let's create a function now. Sub hide all except active sheet parenthesis. Now let's declare a variable here. Dim ws as worksheet. Next we will create a loop which will run through all available worksheets. For each ws in this workbook dot worksheets. Okay. Now, before we hide each sheet, we will first check whether the sheet is active or not. And if the sheet is not active, then we will hide it. So our logic goes like if ws dot name not equal to active sheet dot name, then ws dot visible equals to Excel sheet hidden. I guess that's it. Now we will just close our loop and function. So next ws ends up. Once you are done with this code, close this window and you will be back in the Excel worksheet. Now let's check our code here. Sheet 1 is active right now. That means when we run this code, rest all sheets should be hidden. So to run our code, we will press Alt F8. This will open the macro dialog box. As you can see our custom macro code name here, we will just click on this and hit run. You can see here below all our worksheets are hidden except sheet 1 which was active. So that's it in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.